Hello everybody, my name is Shreyansh and I am in grade 5. Few weeks back, I completed CS50X and started a new course called CS50P, and here I am in the final project. So here in this final project, I made a program that works like a student management system of my own school named GCIS. We can add a student, delete a student, promote a student, display the student by grade, ID, name, and display all the students. So here let me show you the demo. So then it prints out the menu where all of the choices that are there in a student management system. So suppose I want to add a student. So I will press 1. So it asks for a name. Let me type in Max. Gender is male. So it then prints a message called student added successfully. So we can always press 7 to check if that student has been successfully added. So then I want to delete the student. So here I press 2. So it asks me of which student do I want to delete using the ID, and I will type the ID as 5. So it successfully deleted it. So let me again check, and finally it has been deleted successfully. So suppose I want to promote a student. So I want to promote Hiroshima, who is currently in grade 8. So I want to make her in grade 9, and her ID is 1. So it has prom- promoted Hiroshima successfully. And let me recheck, and she is in grade 9. So now I want to display the students by grade. So I'll type 4 and hit enter. It asks me for the grade. So I will type 4. And there are two, Oro and Oro D. So let me type exit to exit this. Enter your choice. So now I want to display the students by name. So I'll hit 5. So the name will be, I think so, Hiroshima. So then it prints out the row of Hiroshima and its details. And let me again type exit to exit. So now I want to display the students by ID. So I will type 6. So the ID will be 3. And then it shows the name as ROD and all of the students of all of the details of that student. So let me type exit again. And now finally I want to halt the whole program. So I'll type 8 and finally we exited. So now let me explain you of how I implemented my code. So I made a header so that I can print out that I can list and tabulate the tables. I imported libraries such as SQL from CS50, then sys, re, then tabulating for making the tables. And then I also use technologies such as Python and SQL, and this is how we connect with SQL. We haven't learned it in class, but I have learned it in CS50X. So then this is the menu which we saw in the demo. Then when we type the number as 1, it calls the add function, prints out the message, and so on for the others. So on add, it works as the same as we saw in the demo. And for each of those functions, I put an SQL query to make it function properly. Suppose for the add function, I put insert into, And for the delete function, I put delete into good. And those are SQL commands that allow me to do and play around with the table. I hope you liked my program. Thank you.